In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a line with arrowheads in Adobe Illustrator. We'll start by creating a simple line. Select the line segment tool, which you can find in the toolbar, or press the # key on your keyboard. Click and drag on your artboard to draw a line in any direction. If you want a perfectly horizontal, vertical, or 45-degree line, hold the Shift key while dragging. Make sure your line has a visible stroke color so you can clearly see the changes we're about to make. Next, we'll open the stroke panel where all the arrowhead options live. If you don't see it on your workspace already, go to the top menu, open the window menu, and choose stroke. The stroke panel might appear docked with other panels. If so, click the tab to bring it to the front. Keep your line selected so any adjustments you make apply to it right away. Inside the stroke panel, look toward the bottom for the arrowhead section. You'll notice two drop-down menus labeled for the start and end of the line. These control which arrowhead style appears at the beginning and at the end of your selected path. Click the drop-down for start to add an arrow where the line begins, or use the drop-down for end to add an arrow where the line finishes. You can choose one end, both ends, or switch styles until you find the look you want. As soon as you select a style, Illustrator updates the line in real time so you can preview the result instantly. Right next to those drop-downs, you'll find scale controls. These determine the size of the arrowheads relative to the line. Increase the percentage to make the arrow larger or decrease it for a more subtle look. If you're adding arrows to both ends, you can match the scale values to keep things consistent. A quick tip: small scale values work well for diagrams or dense layouts, while larger values help call attention to key points in a presentation. Finally, adjust the stroke weight at the top of the panel to make the line thicker or thinner. This setting affects both the shaft of the line and the arrowheads, keeping everything proportional. Heavier weights produce bold, prominent arrows, while lighter weights give you a clean, minimal style. Feel free to tweak the stroke and scale together to balance readability and aesthetics. That's it. Draw your line, open the stroke panel, choose your arrowheads, set the scale, and refine the stroke weight. With these controls, you can create precise, professional arrows in just